today is gonna be a good day. If we can start the video off with a first try nollie 3 shove. Let's see. Does that count? Does that count, Alberto? My feet landed on the board. What do you think?
What do you do?
Does it count? It was a first try nollie 3 shove to open my video.
You did it?
Kinda, I like kinda felt.
Then it doesn't count, you have to do it again.
Okay, well, we're gonna disassemble this engine, see what's going on with the rings and the pistons, and see if that's why it was weird. We're probably gonna work on the chaser today, make that pretty, maybe clean up some of the stuff for the bay. But we got some really cool parts coming in, and I got a surprise coming in that Tommy's bringing me that I'm stoked about. I'm gonna get my rebate real quick. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling. One long clip. You guys know it's not fake. Really landed. Whoops. One of my projects today is a transformation of this ugly caterpillar looking rear seat into some black juice. We like it. What does that even mean? How do I even remove these seats? Are they simple? Are they just gonna pull up? I don't know. I'm kind of just like figuring it out as I go. Huh. Decisions.
No more old people seats.
Yeah, you stoked? I got black door panels too.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the dash will still be gray for a while, but.
Can we paint it?
The dash? Maybe. We'll see. Let me figure out how to remove these seats first. Oh, what's that? Is it missing a gas cap? Does that mean I'm getting stuff painted? Huh, I wonder. So this, ooh, look how ugly that is. So this rear seat, pretty sure we can just, there we go. That was easy. Hold on. Help me, I'm drowning! Help! Ah, bye-bye. Take this ugly thing out. Yeah, and we get the good stuff. Look how green this is. Gross. Car's super clean underneath the rear seats though. Looks like we got some good old 10 mils and we can blast this boy out. Dum 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 dum. I think I'm gonna focus on doing the seat belts after the fact and you guys will see why. But imagine it just slides up. There we go. There we go. Now these seatbelt things are broken on the other seat. So I think what I'm gonna do is just take these out with a Phillips and then swap them over to the other seat. I think that's the way to do it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. These guys right up in here. I think you can slide the seatbelt out, but it looks like a pain. So I'm just gonna take them off with a Phillips. Here we've got a side-by-side comparison of the old versus the new. Not as minty fresh, obviously, but I'll probably take some time and try to clean these up a little bit before I put them in the car. And I think they'll look better, you know. Not perfect, but I could always put the minty fresh ones back in if I want to have a green interior. Kind of cool. It's kind of different, but it's not really for me. These seats actually clean up really nice. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference this side versus this side, but just hitting it with some cleaner, I was able to get a lot of the little marks and stuff out. So we'll do it to the whole seat now. For the fun part. Look at that. But peekaboo with the stupid little seat belts. Looks a little bit funky right now with these door cards, but I think we're on the step to getting this thing looking cleaner for sure. Especially looking from this angle, it looks a lot cleaner. Be nice if I could do my headliner in black in this car. So it all murdered out. It's almost time to see what the damage is. Look at all this junk. Garbage. It'll be interesting to see what we end up doing with this thing. Moment of truth. Curious if there's any oil in it. I mean, not oil, metal.
Looks good, nice and black. I don't see any shiny or whatever weird stuff. It's way better than the one that came out of your engine.
Not wrong. Time for a food run. In addition to the engine stuff, I think we're gonna try to build something cool for this today. I think that'll be a cool goal. Nothing like the good old cruiser. Gonna do a quick little lunch run. Only in Florida will you see 2 drift cars at the pizza place parking lot. That's some VSKS. Oh, that's Ravi! Let me tell you, the smell of Ignite does not get old. Literally, smells better than, I can't even smell the pizza, that's how good it smells. You stoked? I brought you pizza.
I'm trying to smell pizza.
Yo, pistons, the ring lens, are they cracked?
I haven't checked, they're really dirty still.
Okay.
I already took them off.
Tommy, let me get one just for the video. Just a nice old eat. Let me get one. No. Let me get one. All right, I'll just put it in the video. Get. Eat. Tommy went to go drop off the R33 at Paint this morning. I had him stop by Mr. Bikes and Boards, and Chad, the homie, built me up a sweet skateboard because I've been skating a lot in the shop, and we just had like a crappy board here, and I don't want to break it because it's not mine. And I got a board to skate in the shop. It's been fun just messing around sometimes when I get bored and sick of working on cars. Okay, but while Alberto's been cleaning the block and the crankshaft and kind of going over the engine stuff, I've been trying to tidy up the shop since this is a little bit of downtime that we have since the car's at Paint. So I got it nice and clean. I mean, it's not perfect, but this main area is a lot better than it was. And we're gonna start cleaning up on the inside before we start sending out all of the giveaway orders. So we just got all the shirts and hoodies and stuff in today, so we're gonna start chirping through all those orders and stuff. We said on the website to expect up to 2 weeks before we are able to send out orders, but realistically we're gonna try to have them all out in under a week. But anyway, again, if you guys are curious on how you can enter to win the R33, every $5 you spend on LZMFG will get you a chance to win the R33 and $5,000 cash. We also did just add a bunch of our other merch into the eligible merchandise section that you can purchase in order to get the entries. Some stuff like the parka jacket, other jackets, and you'll see on the website, it's very clear. Link will be in the description as always. Got the office looking pretty tight. Check out the new merch that's in. Really hyped on how these came out. A little thirsty, but my Starbucks is all out, so I'm gonna go in for a quick refill. Nothing like some good old Starbs. I'm getting my Starbucks refilled real quick. My God. And this right here is the beauty of why we developed that system to where we could have a drain back, or we could just have it fill up the catch can. So I can still drain it when I'm driving around in the street. And look at all that gross stuff. Disgusting. That's 85 for you.
That is running great. Like, what is Venti Ice Blend Vanilla Latte?
No. Right. Venti Ignite E85 blow by. $1,000.
It smells like margarita without like the lemon to it. Like
$1,000 to take a gulp right now.
No.
1,500.
No.
I will give you the Z.
My medical bill will be more expensive than that.
Listen, I know that I don't have much style, and I know that I'm probably making myself look like a fool, but I'm having fun messing around on this board. And my goal right now is to try to do every shove it that I can do. So like, I'm gonna try to do nollie both ways, straight both ways, and then fakie both ways. Well, I don't know if I can do fakie ollie though. We'll try. We'll see what we can do. I literally did all of them except for, I guess it would be called switch, that one. I did all except for that one. Me and Alberto are going to go and cruise over to the UCF Car Club meet. Even though he's not alumni, they normally let him slide. Let me tell you about my best friend. He drives a purple car and he works really hard. Your car sounds so quiet. That's why it wasn't on. This guy's always getting me with his jokes. Catch me posted up with my underglow and my coffee. All I need to live. Got a fellow R33 here. We're trying to help him out. He's got a wastegate that's not opening, so just poking around, seeing what we can figure out. Think the blow valve's too tight? So this car came from Wisconsin, and the guy that this guy got the car from had an LZ sticker on it. How sick is that? And a Juku. So what's up? And a radio that says Mizu. This JDM is sick. Even though this trans shifts nicer, it makes so much more noise than my old trans did. So this car's kind of a little bit more annoying to drive now. Love those surges though. I was about to close the video out and then I realized we never talked about the pistons and rods. So we haven't been able to fully clean them because we ran out of brake cleaner, but visually inspecting them and kind of looking at all the areas where my other piston skirts were cracked, we weren't able to actually find anything that wrong with these. So it looks like they're in decent shape. The rings are fine, no signs of breakage anywhere. So it looks like, depending on what we decide to do with the RB25, we might be able to reuse these pistons and rods and just re-ring them. So that's kind of convenient. What are you doing up there, Marco?
I'm hanging out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's the view?
You wanna come hang out?
Dude, let's film a vlog from the sky.
That'd be good.
Marco's changing one of our lights. We had some old lights in the warehouse that came with it, and one of them is bad, so he's helping us out. Dude, you're swaying back and forth so much. Dude, don't do that. I don't want to clean up your dead body.
Say that.
Well, don't.
I'm worried about the electricity, actually.
Yeah, you should be. Why don't we kill the power, dude? I'm not trying to film Marco dying, so we're gonna end the video here, and we'll resume tomorrow. Got some stuff going on with the S15, got some stuff going on with the R33 engine, and even got some stuff going on with the Chaser. So it'll be a stack. Oh, and the R32. So it's gonna be a stack day tomorrow.